after a grueling 21 miles in a headwind, which absolutely just killed me. We're here in Genoa, and we're at the start of the North Coast Inland Trail. So we're gonna ride the trail, and where we end up, I'm not 100% sure. I have a few tentative places to camp, considering it's going to rain tonight. So let's get on the trail, let's get some miles behind us. It is an absolute relief to be on this trail after that crosswind and that headwind at like 15 plus miles an hour on a fully loaded touring bike. It whittled me right down to the bone. I will sleep good tonight though. We're at mile 24. We're heading east. All right, I am in Clyde and I just hit the 50-mile mark. I have some tentative plans to camp in Wakeman at the grain elevator. Contacted the owner and she said I can sleep inside in the patio, which is really cool. Right now the rain is moving in from the south. I've been just doing a hard push to get some miles in. I'm about 34 miles from Wakeman, but yeah, I feel the burn. My legs are on fire. My allergies are on fire. I'm earning it out here. The nice thing is it's like 60 degrees. So I'm gonna take a break, eat here. I'm in Clyde, and move on. So far, so good. I will sleep really good tonight, that's for sure. Well, as predicted, it started to rain. Geared up in my rain gear. Just made it past Bellevue. I'm on the gravel section, and this goes for a pretty good amount in terms of distance. It goes past Norwalk, past Collins, halfway to Wakeman. So we're doing gravel, a little wet gravel, but we're in good spirits. Just under 60 miles. It's nice, beautiful, calm out here. A little on the cool side, but it's better than like 80, 90 degree humid hot rain. Kind of that like light misty rain. It's very calm and serene out here, so relaxing. There's obviously nobody out here, at least no one dumb enough to be out doing this like me. And yeah, it's really nice. It's very kind of it's exciting and nerve-wracking, and at the same time just rolling out of your driveway and just going on a tour with no real plans or destination. It's something, if you haven't tried before, I think it's definitely worthwhile, especially if you have access to trails near you. So we're just gonna keep rolling, enjoy this beautiful remote gravel rail trail. You have this nice, beautiful green tunnel out here, and it's very chill, it's very peaceful. Type 2 fun, like Bane always says. That's what we're having. myself out here. Well, I made it through Norwalk. I got a little hosed, but it's not too cold. And I'm about 12 miles from Wakeman. Stopped here in this gas station. Final lap. We're at, let's see how many miles we're at. 71. Yeah, I'm feeling every mile. Keep on trucking. This section is really nice. I just passed Collins and it's gonna end up here pretty soon and becomes road riding. But this part is really nice. The Type 2 fun is seriously kicking in. You know, I'm covered, you know, I'm not wet, but you sweat inside these things, so it's like you're wet either way. It did stop raining, it's just that mist. Let's push on, let's get it done. We're at mile 77. Let's rock. Alright, back on the road. The gravel was nice, but having that nice roll of pavement is a good way to change it up. Here's where I'm set up. I sleep back here in this little corner. Got karaoke going on, so let's go inside and check it out. Got the bike down there and sleeping bag. Everything's set up. It's gonna have a good amount of rain tonight, so we're gonna hunker down and get a good night's rest.